This is Melnor 8 pattern soft touch watering van. You can buy it in Home Depot. As you see, it has like longer handle here, which is nice because you can reach anywhere without any big effort. Okay, I show you all those patterns. This is the shower pattern. I have it set for mild. This is the center pattern. This is cone pattern. Green pattern. Mist, which plants love it really. Vertical pattern. And horizontal, hold flat. Then it's full, which is really strong. Let's go back to shower. With this yellow button, I can regulate how much water I want to get through the head. Like this is set for maximum. This goes to minimum, up to the really closing up. What is nice, the stream is really mild. With regular head, probably all those plants would be bent now 90 degrees down. Another nice thing, because the spray of pattern is pretty cold, so like in this water vegetable beds, when I am watering, I can go really along the edge without any wasting water, out of the bed. So this is nice thing on it. And I think that's basically all about this head. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.